Okay, so the sixth one, right? So the first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. So in the sixth question, we have A, which is 17, and AN, which is 350, right? And D is also given, which is 9. So we have to find out how many terms are there. So we have to first find out N, and then Sn we have to find. This is the question, right, Rifa?
Yes.
Yeah, so first we have to find out N. So we have three things that we know. One is An, which is A plus N minus 1D. And then we have Sn, which is N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. And then we have Sn again, which is N by 2, A plus An. So which one we can use in here to find N?
We can use the first one.
Yeah, first one. So let us use this first one and then find out N, right? So An is A plus N minus 1 into T. An is 350, A is 17, N minus 1 and 9. So this is 350 minus 17 and then 9n minus 9. So this is how much? 3, 4, 1, 3, 3 plus 9 and then 9. So this is 342 and 9n. So n would be 342 divided by 9. So this is how much? 3 and 7, 8. So 30. So n is 38, right? And then we can calculate Sn. So Sn is n by 2, A plus an, right? This would be simple to use. So 38 by 2, A is 17, An is 350. So this is 19, and this is how much? So 19 into 7, 6, 3. So whatever it is. So this would be the answer, right? Yes. So what was
Okay.
yeah? So what was the doubt in this Rifa? What was the doubt?
Yeah, I just like the SN one. I used it with the another formula like the n by 2 into 2a
Yeah.
plus n.
Oh, so that is any formula we can use, right? Which one would be simpler to use? That one we can use, right? So from both,
But that formula is a lengthy one. So
yeah, that
the
is very yes, yes. So please note it down, and then we'll start with this eighth question, right? And we will quickly now we have to buckle up and quickly finish this chapter because I want to start this triangles, right? So you said triangles, or what? Okay, statistics or maybe probability or maybe triangle. We can see. So whenever you have
um
a yes,
so like all these chapters questions answer you will be writing. Does it like is that already saved, like, all these answers?
all
Because
these
that if if I get those PDF of it, it will be helpful for me to study during the exam.
oh, so you want all the notes of these solutions. Okay. But that is why we do these solution in the class and you note it down, right? So you have noted all
Yeah,
these.
I noted down. Yeah, but
Yeah,
there are like some questions of some chapters, like only few chapters.
only future because we did all the so whenever in a question you have any doubts, so please ask me that. Then I will then I will talk about that question, right? Because in one note
Okay.
I solve this question and then I have to erase to solve the other one, right? So yeah. The concept you can find in this one, right? So I have the concept part is there, but the question I have to erase because I have to do the other problems, right? So the concept part is there in this PDF, but solution of this question, yeah, that is why you are noting it down. And if let's say one or two question, or let's say many question you don't find in your notebook, then please let me know. Then I will send you the solutions, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so note it down this part. Yes, did you note it down?
Yeah. Yes. Also, I have this like one doubt in coordinate geometry, the
Okay,
collinear one,
okay.
AB plus BC equal to CD. In that, the thing was like, when I was solving it, I got all the answers correct, like all the sides answers correct. But sometimes I don't simplify it. And the simplification one comes different. So if it comes different for each side, then it means it's not collinear, right?
Yeah, because let's say what is the idea of collinearity, right? So let's say you have these 3 points, and these are collinear, which means that they are making a straight line, right? So let's say if they are making a straight line, so if you measure from A to B and then B to C, then you will get A to C. So from collinearity, if we add AB plus BC, we will get AC. But if they are not collinear, let's say this is AB and this is the third point, right? So we have these 3 points. And you can see that they are not collinear, right? So if I add, let's say this is AB and then this is C. So if I add AB plus BC, will I get AC?
No.
Right? So this would not be equal. So for collinearity, this is the crucial condition. If we add these two, then this has to be equal to the third, right?
No, but what I am saying is, say when we do the questions and we get the side AB is equal to value of AB, BC, and AC. So is it necessary that we have to simplify? Like if I'm getting root 18, then should I like simplify it even more, or isn't it fine till root 18?
Yeah, root 18. So let's say you are getting root 18 and let's say, so this is how much? You are getting root 25 and root 87. So you cannot decide if we add these ones and we can get the similar ones. Right? Because are they like terms? They are not
No,
like terms. Let's say, but if you simplify this and you get 2 root 3, you get root 3 and then you get 3 root 3. Right? So these are like terms. Right?
yeah,
So then you can directly say that if I add these two, I will get 3 root 3. So if I add 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3 plus root 3, then I will get 3 root 3. So from here, from this simplified thing, we can say that we have this collinearity. But from this, we cannot say, right? So that so that is why we have to solve these ones. But that is the idea to make it the like terms. right?
Okay, okay.
So for comparison, we have to make it in this form. Now let us move on to this eighth question, right? So find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. So we have to find out S51, right? Right, Rifa?
Yes.
Which means that this would be 51 by 2 and this would be 2A plus 51 minus 1 into D. So this is 51 by 2, 2A plus 50D. So to calculate S51, what do I need more? What else do I need?
Yeah, to calculate S51.
Yeah, to calculate sum to first 51 terms, right? I have this N. So I need this A, right? I need this A and this D. So if I know this A and D, I can calculate S50, right?
Yes.
So where can I get this A and D? Because in the next information, this is given. AP whose second and third term is 14 and 18. So what is these things? What are these things? What is 14? What is it given?
The second term and the third
Yeah.
term.
So how do we represent the second term? This is what? How do we represent the second term? Rifa?
Was it like the nth term? Like,
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah,
Same, same. So A2, right?
yeah.
And A3. So you have A2 and A3. Please find out what would be A and D. Please find out. And tell me what would be A and D.
Okay, so we use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1.
Absolutely, yes, absolutely right. Yeah.
I used n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and I wrote a2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d, which is equal to a plus 1d.
Yes. So A plus D, you got 14. A3A is A plus 2D. You got 8. These are the two equations. Now you have to solve these two, right?
Yeah.
So, so solve these two and what you will find.
I eliminated them, and I got d is equal to 8, 4.
4, right? So minus, 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 minus d, this cancels, this is minus 4. So d is 2. D is 4, then what would be a?
To find a, we'll use a plus n minus 1 into d, or will we use the
Yeah,
other
this
one?
one, this one. Any of the equation you can use, right?
Okay, okay. A is equal to 10.
Yes, right. So now, what was the goal in here? We had to find A and we had to find D. So now we have found those two, right? As you said, A is 10. So we can plug the values of D and A in this one, and we will get S51. So S51 is 51 by 2. 2A is 10, you got 50 into 4, right? So this is 51 by 2, then this is 20 plus this is 200. So 51 by 2 into 220. This is 10, so this is how much? So this is 11 ones are 11, 11, 55 and 56. So this would be S51, right? So this was the idea of this question, understood?
Okay, understand.
So please note it down and then, yeah, the ninth one. Okay, so we'll do this ninth one and then 10th one. And
Can you show the down part? Because I already take it.
yeah, this one.
Yeah. I'm finished.
Now let us if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, right? And that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. So what are the things that are given? Can you tell?
In the ninth one, right? Listen.
Yeah, so this is what?
Mm, yeah, they have given the sum of the seven terms, which is 49.
Yeah, so S7 is 40, right? And
And
then,
then 817 is 289.
so these are the things which are, and then we have to find out S. So to find out Sn, we need A and we need a D. So this is the same question as the previous one, only the idea is so idea will also be the same, only the terms are different, right? So S7 is given, which means that S7 is 49, which means that 7 by 2 and 2A plus 7 minus 1D. This is 49, right?
Yeah, and this we have to find the D and the A, right? So what
Yes,
will
yes. Again, we have to find. So you see that this 7 will go in this side. So this is 2A plus 6D and 49 into 2 divided by 7. So this is 7. So this is 14. So 2A plus 6D is 14. This is our first equation. And from S17 is 289. So this is again 17 by 2, 2A plus 17 minus 1 into D and 289. So again this is 2A plus 16D and 289 into 2 divided by 17. So 17, 17 are 289. So this would be 34. Right? So this is 34 and then this is 2A plus 16. So you have this second equation. First equation, second equation. Now you please calculate what would be A and D.
I got the answer. D is equal to 20 by 10.
20 by 10. D is in decimal. Okay. So
I
uh,
eliminated.
yeah, so 2A plus 16D is 34. 2A plus 6D is what? 40. So minus, minus, minus. So this is 10D equal to 20. So D would be 10, right? Yes.
Yeah, but yeah, it is the same thing what I got also, but I did not cancel it.
Oh, so then A would be 2A plus 6D is 40. So 2A plus 6 into 10, that is 60 is 40. So 2A is 14 minus 60, which is how much? 6, and then this is 5, 1, 4, minus 46. So A would be minus of 23. So we have A and we have D. Now we can calculate Sn, right? So Sn would be how? So Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So n by 2 and 2a is minus 23 plus n minus 1 and d is 10. So this is n by 2 and then this is minus 46 plus 10n minus 10. Right, so this is n by 2, 10n minus of 56, right? So we can take out 2 common in here. So n by 2, 2 common, this is 5n minus 28. So 2 cancel and you got n 5n minus 28, which is 5n square minus 28. So this is your S. Understood? Any doubt in this question, Rifa?
No,
Okay, this was
the
a very
same.
lengthy. Yeah, this was a very lengthy question. So please note it down. Yeah, whenever you want me to scroll down the sheet, please let it. Yeah, whenever you want me to scroll down the sheet, please. Yes, sir, Rifa, noted.
Yeah, finished.
Then please note down. This part you have calculated, right?
Yeah.
Please note down. Whenever we have completed this, yes, noted.
Yes, noted.
Then let us do this next question.
Um,
Yes.
does this chapter have another exercise?
No, no. So this has not. Luckily, fortunately, we don't have any other exercise. Right. This is optional. So this we don't have. Right. But this has a lot of questions. So we have to. I will give some question as your homework. You try those, and then we can do this. This is the idea, right?
Yeah, because my exams are going to start on October 19th, so I need to do the portions of probability and that one.
Yeah. So what are the chapters that are going to come?
I sent it
You have
to
sent it.
the team. Yeah,
Okay. So why is it?
I sent it long back.
Oh, okay. So after this AP, you have this triangle, right? You have this
Yeah,
triangle, and then you have this
yeah,
probability, right?
yeah,
So only two chapters, right?
yeah, but I don't have triangles for the half yearly exams.
Oh, so this is not. Then we are because we only have this probability then, right?
Yeah, and also AP is also not there.
AP is also not there.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay, so then what we can do is that, right? So which means that we have covered all the portions, right? So which means
Yeah,
that
yeah. So we have to do only probability and statistics.
statistics is also there.
Yeah,
Okay, so yeah, we will do two or three questions from here, right? Or what this because this is not coming in the half yearly. So let us. Okay, so then we can start this statistics, right? Because the exam is on 19th, right? So at least we should cover the that. So then we will do this. Yeah, so in statistics, in this 10th class, so you had statistics in your ninth class, right?
yes.
And yeah, so in that class, you covered this, right? You covered this central tendency of the data, but the data was ungrouped, right? So now in here, what we will do is that first the data would be grouped, right? And then from the grouped data, we will calculate mean, we will calculate median, we will calculate, right? And these has only one trick, one formula, one method, and this has only one method, but this has three methods, right? So I will talk about these methods. Firstly, I will talk about the mean of a grouped data, right? So in the grouped data, what do you have? You have class intervals, right? So let's say in your class, all of the people got their marks. So let's say some people got their marks in this range, 10 to let's say 25. And then some of them got from 25 to let's say 40. And then some of guys students got some 55. And then some got from 55 to 70, then 70 to 85, then 85 to 100, right? So this would be called the class interval, right? And let's say how many people, how many students got the number in this range. So let's say there are three people which failed, which got compartment 25 to 40, let's say 5, 40 to 50 is 12, 55 to 70 is 8, and then 70, some people got very good marks, and those are, let's say, 7, and 85 to 100, let's say, brilliant students which got 5. So this would be called the frequency, right? So this we denote as F, and this is also right as Fi. Okay. And the important thing that we calculate from here is called the class marks, right? So class marks is calculated as, so this is the lower limit, right? And this is the upper limit of the class interval. So to calculate the class marks, what do you do? This is represented by xi, and this you calculate as lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So this is how you calculate the class marks. So from 10 to 25, this is 35. So xi would be 35 by 2, which is 17.5. And then this is 65.2, which is how much? 37.5, right? And then you have this 40 to 55, so 95. So this is 47. So yeah, so this would be how much? 95, so 47.5. This is how much? 65. So this is 32.5, right? And then this is 125 by 2, right? So, okay, so this is how much? 125 by 2, which is 622.5. And then 70, so 155 by 2, which is 7, and then 77.5. And then 185 by 2, which is 92.5. So this is how you calculate the class marks. Understood?
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
this
then,
one will be for all mean, mode, median,
yeah.
mean,
So
mode.
this we will do for the mean only. Mean. To calculate the mean, we will calculate this class marks. Okay. Yeah, so this statistics and probability will not take too much time, right? So I will quickly, before, let's say, in 2 or 3 classes, I will complete the statistics, and then I will complete in one class, I will complete probability, and then your half yearly portion would be over, right? Because your exam is starting on 19th of October.
Yeah.
19th of October, which means that, and the first exam is of mathematics,
No. Second is math.
second is math. Okay, and will you get any study leaves?
Yeah.
Good, good. So, yeah, so then we can complete these portions. No worries. Okay, so yeah, I will stop it here. And did
Can
you note
I
down?
note it down?
Yeah, yeah,
I'm writing only the no down. Yeah.
this one. Okay, these. Yeah, because that AP will take a very long time, right? There are different ideas in AP, and if we are stuck in that AP, so then it will take. And I can, yeah, we should arrange some extra classes too, so that we can cover those.